look at this. This was around 6 p.m. on Sunday, July 13th, 2025. I was just heading home, casually driving, and then I noticed this, a full-on traffic nightmare on the opposite lane. I don't know if it's Route 46 West or 287, but whatever road that is, these folks are not going anywhere anytime soon. As far as my eyes could see, it was brake lights, one after another. Just imagine being stuck in that on a Sunday evening. Maybe they were coming back from the shore or running errands. Either way, what a frustrating way to end the weekend. And the worst part, it wasn't letting up. I kept driving and that jam just kept going. No exits, no movement, nothing. Total standstill. If you've ever sat through traffic like this in Jersey, you know how it feels. The clock ticks, gas runs low, and your patience gets tested. We're now coming up to my exit, but even then I looked over and the traffic was still going. Miles and miles backed up. It made me grateful I wasn't on that side, honestly. I rely so much on GPS, and maybe it rerouted me the right way this time.
Continue for 10 minutes.
You really get a sense of how bad it was when you see how far back it stretches. It wasn't just one lane. It looked like multiple lanes barely crawling. You can tell people have been sitting for a while. Windows down, some switching lanes out of frustration. New Jersey has some of the worst weekend traffic, especially around routes like 46, 287, and even parts of the Turnpike. And if there's a stalled vehicle or accident ahead, forget it. Hours gone. The Dashcam really gives perspective. These are the moments that don't make the news, but drivers live through them all the time. So yeah, this is just one of those days where if you were unlucky to be on the wrong side of the road, you'd be sitting and staring at your steering wheel. Hope everyone eventually made it through safely. And if you were one of them stuck in this jam on July 13th, just know, someone saw you and felt your pain. This is Road Views and Vibes. Real roads, real stories. See you in the next drive.